Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP tip 11. So especially if you would like to explore and find some root causes within ABAP coding, then you can set breakpoints where the ABAP debugger is started within this line, or basically the program will stop at this line and the ABAP debugger will start, that you can investigate and explore what is happening into this coding. And here right now we are in the ABAP Editor, so within the transaction SE38. You can also set breakpoints in the function builder SE37, in the class builder SE24, or of course within the object navigator SE80. And you can do this with those two buttons here in the toolbar. So therefore you have to set the focus into one line where you would like to add and set a breakpoint. So for example, in line 15. And then I can click on this button, set delete session breakpoint, also executable with Control-Shift F12. Or if you would like to set an external breakpoint, then you can do the same, setting the focus into one line and click on this button, then the external breakpoint has been set. If you would like to remove it, then just set the focus once again into the line and click on the same button. Then you can see that now the breakpoint has been removed, deleted, and you can do the same for the session breakpoint. Under utilities, breakpoints, here you have these functionalities as well to set, delete, session breakpoints and external breakpoints. And in my opinion, there's an easier way to set breakpoints in the editor, in the ABAP editor. And therefore, you click on this left column, it's kind of like yellow, right next to the line where you would like to set a breakpoint. So for example, here we have line 15, here we have line 16, 17, 18. So if we would like to set a breakpoint in line 19, then left next to the line 19, I click on this column and then you can see here that the session breakpoint was set. I can do it for 15, I can do it for 25. It was deleted, so here as you want to. If you would like to set up external breakpoints, then you have to hit the Control key on your keyboard and keep it hit, and then you click on one line, so for example 21 or 16, and then you can also set up external breakpoints. And you can remove them by doing exactly the same, just clicking on the icon, and then you have deleted it. If you can follow up the same approach, so we've now set up 3 breakpoints. If we now start this program, then basically the ABAP debugger will start on the first set breakpoint on this line. And within the debugger, you can do the same. You can click within this column on one line, and now you can see that a breakpoint has been set. And if you would like to convert it to a session breakpoint, that later on this breakpoint won't get lost, then you can just click on the Save Debugger Breakpoint as Session Breakpoints button or Control and S. Then you can see that this breakpoint has been converted into a session breakpoint. And yeah, basically, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please like this video and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos about ABAP tips and tricks, because 89 more videos to come. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.